Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a mukbang. I haven't done one of these in a little while, and today we've got ghost pepper cheese from Malaysia. Should be pretty good. I've tried all the other ones except for the new pack ones thus far, and not bad, and they're pretty hot, so we'll see what happens. I've got a plate of it pre-made right here. Whoa, get on there. There we are. Just like that, right? No? Kinda? There we go. Anyways, see if I can get my daughter to give me a hand with this. Alright. Hey, Mimi! Come here, please. By the way, I'll be using the swirl fork. It's a swirly, whirly, twirly fork that's a trip and really weird. So, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna do some spicy noodles right now, and I could use your help. So can you give me a ready, set... Oh, wait. I need to have a sip of my beverage, don't I? Don't want to get the hiccups. Ready, set... Oh, wait. You do the whole ready, set, go. Really loud. Go ahead. Alright. Well, that cheese definitely doesn't calm it down at all. Wow. Thank you, Mimi. Wow, she was just like out of here, huh? Yeah, I'd say it's been like a few months since I've done a mukbang. It's definitely spicy, but it's good. Done. Yeah. That's ghost peppery. Yeah, it's just serious business. All right. Nose is going. right. Well, if you can find this stuff, I highly recommend you giving it a try. It's hot. And it's pretty good. Yeah, Mamee, or Shinsegae Mamee Ghost Pepper Cheese Daebak. Give it a try. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Ooh, have a good one. Bye-bye.